What's the little Smiley package got for us today?
Ooh,
Rip it
let's
open.
See, all right.
We opened it. We ordered this thing that we saw that. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the Russian hacker, the crazy Russian hacker, or Russian hacker.
Yeah, crazy Russian hacker.
His name is Taurus. He's got a YouTube
Taurus,
channel.
cool.
He showed us this thing because we've been wanting to cook. We've been wanting to. Wild bacon. We've been wanting to cook bacon, but man, we hate cooking it on the stove because it makes a mess.
It really does, yo.
You know, our house is already a mess. We don't need any more mess. But
Yeah.
check it out. Wild bacon. It's for cooking bacon, and if you look at the picture right there, it's for cooking bacon in the microwave.
Nice.
I can't tell if it's blurry or not because I don't have my glasses on. Looks good? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Pretty cool. All right. Let's look inside there. Can you show me?
All right.
There's all the instructions if you want to read them.
Instructions. Push black clips down to unlock. Okay. We'll be right back. All right. Here's the instructions. Partly for us to document, just in case we ever lose them.
Yeah.
We can come back to this right
Great
here.
idea.
Right? Da, 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 da.
What's over here? Were you supposed to stick this somewhere or something weird?
No, this was the sticker, the
sticker.
remove sticker.
Ah, remove
yeah,
it.
I just folded it over.
Yeah, so
All
we
right,
should
so then-
tape that inside of our cupboard or something.
Somewhere. All right, so yeah, it cooks pork, turkey, beef, or chicken, bacon. It also cooks eggs, noodles, and more. So,
How many minutes?
you could visit wowbacon.com. Wowbacon.com. All right, so push black clips down, unlock lid, rack from the cup. You detach the lid from the rack and load the bacon. Fat side in. Okay. There's fat side? Place the lid on the rack and turn. Okay, all that fun stuff. Yeah. 6 slices is 4 minutes. 3 slices is 2 minutes.
I think we got a warranty card.
Woohoo! Warranty
Well,
card.
if anyone wants to see what's inside, that's what we got inside there. Woohoo!
Coolness. All right.
So that's what's in there. Just adding that. So I guess you just hang your bacons over that. We'll load it up in a few after we rinse it out.
Yep,
And then
yeah.
you just put this thing on. If you notice, it's got little holes in there.
Oh, yeah, it lines up.
See that?
Oh, yeah, it lines up
It
just
lines
right
up with
with
the
that
top
guy.
of that. So you just line that up,
Neat.
clamp it down, and we're doing bacon.
All right.
Did we figure out how much time yet?
Yeah. So, if you're doing 6 slices, it's 4 minutes. 3 slices is 2 minutes. All right, we're gonna get this cleaned up. We'll be right back. All right, here's the kind of bacon we're gonna use. So let's get that loaded up.
All right, here we go. We're supposed to put the fat side
In.
in.
Yeah. So we
Which
just
side's the fat side? There it is. Yeah, that one
Drape
looks fat. And you just hang it over until you got even amounts on each side.
yeah.
And I guess most bacon's about the same length, luckily.
Usually, wow, these are nice and thick.
Oh,
Woo.
look
All
at that.
right. Oh man, they're almost too long. I know it's gonna shrink up once they.
Yeah, look at that bacon. And it's not going to make a mess. It's going to be all inside there. And then we can just dump that in something. Maybe I'll dump it in the backyard to let the critters eat it. Bacon grease.
You want to do 3 each?
Yeah, we'll do 3 each for now. Maybe we'll have to do twice. We're making bacon
maybe.
sandwiches here.
Yeah, but these are so thick that 3 each might be enough.
We're doing BL sandwiches. We got no
Yeah.
tomato. Yes, we got no. You skipped one, dude.
Tomato.
It's okay,
Oops.
man. You could keep one under here.
I got excited. I didn't realize I missed a spoke.
No shortcuts. Is this one need to be folded over to you? Let's see.
Oh, see how I did that?
There we go. That's good.
Oh,
That's a little bit-
whoa.
We'll see.
Ah.
It'll be fun.
I'm
First
not
time.
good at this. It's like a carousel of meat.
Bacon.
Bacon.
All right, we froze this one, so I don't know if that matters.
I think it should be okay. It's pork o'clock.
There we go. Wonderful.
Okay.
All right,
so
we're going to
now
nuke that for about 2 or 3 minutes or something. Oh, that's right. You got to put it in there.
And we go for 4 minutes.
Oh, be careful. When we smush
What
them
am
out.
I can't see. I'm just.
Just drop it in. There's nothing, no grooves or anything. You just drop her in there.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
There's a part where you got to be careful. Yeah.
You want to switch?
No, just make sure you get that onto that. You can see better than me. I got the eyes that don't work as good. All right, and you just go click, click with that. Right, the other way.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
like that,
the
right?
other way. I don't know if you can see any of that.
Okay, yep. Ah, I feel all greasy.
All right, turn it
Okay.
around. Let's see what we got. All we did is we just took those and we just clicked it into the sides there, and we are now going to cook it for X amount of minutes.
4 minutes.
We're starting at 4. All right, we'll be back.
Wish wish you guys could smell this. It smells like bacon. And you can't really tell. We'll show you when we pull it out. But the top of this bacon thing, the wow bacon almost hits the top of our microwave. See?
That's the only thing we didn't think about is how
Yeah,
tall it was.
exactly. So you're going to want to take that into consideration when you buy it.
We got the big one here, though. Luckily.
All right, we'll be right back.
All right, see how with the carousel in there, we're well, we still got a couple inches from the top. We're not that crazy.
Nah, but see your bumps.
But if you have a little tiny one, microwave,
Yeah, you're going to be wondering.
Be kind of hard to do.
Yeah. All right. So, let's see how it looks. Ooh, handle's nice and warm. Okay.
And it just lifts off
Does it?
the handle.
Ooh, there's steam, so be careful, guys. There's steam.
Yeah, it's pretty steamy.
Ooh, that looks so good, though. It doesn't look too burnt. Because, you know, when you microwave it, it gets all crispy and just... Ooh. Okay, so there's definitely steam. There's steam.
All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. Just going to pull this out.
Too much steam.
Woo! Too much
Too much
steam.
steam.
So we
Grab,
need a
tongs.
paper towel.
Tongs. Toast this puppy now. Right?
All right, so it looks different on the bottom than the top, but I think that looks like the kind of bacon I like to eat.
Oh, man. Totally. Totally. That looks good.
4 minutes?
Yeah. Now, if you want it crispier, you just cook it longer.
Yeah.
And if you like it like this, you know. I don't know, because I do see some spots where I'm like, I would cook that a little longer if it was in a frying
Right,
pan.
if you want, look at all the grease.
Oh, wow.
Gnarly.
That is gnarly. But hey, that's grease that didn't go all over the counter and it didn't go in our pan to wreck it.
Or the bacon.
Yeah.
Came off the bacon.
Yeah, this
Right,
came
so
out
what does it feel
good.
like?
How does it feel?
Oh no, let's do a little bit longer.
Yeah, we're going to cook it a little longer. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
Alright, here's how the bacon came out after 5 minutes in a 1250 watt oven. We're going to get it plated up.
Oh yeah, that looks good. That's
Yeah.
the lettuce and the cheese makes up. Well, the cheese makes up for no tomatoes.
Yeah, that's it. We're doing BC
Oh.
L's. That's it. Alright, thanks so much for watching, folks. Hope you had fun. We'll see y'all next time.
We'll put it out in my belly.
Yeah.
Bye.